Okay, so now we're going to look at averages. Okay, so averages are mean, median, mode, and range. Okay, so mode is the one that we see the most. Median is the middle value. The mean, we add and divide. So we're going to add all of our values up, and then we divide by the number of values that we see. And the range is the highest value, take away the lowest value. Okay, now in this particular list of numbers, they are already in order for us. So looking at this then, we've got the most. So which value do we see the most? So in this case then, we've got 1, 2, 3 4s. So the mode here then is 4. The median is the middle value. Well, I've got 10 numbers, so I'm going to count in 5 from each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it could be 4 or 5. And if that's the case, then we find the middle value. So clearly here, halfway between 4 and 5 is 4.5 or 4.5. If I had two wider values, 16 and a 22 or something like that, I'd add the two together and then divide by 2 to find the middle of those two values. The mean, I'm going to add them all up and divide by the number of values. So if I add all of these numbers up here, I get 48, and I'm going to divide that by 10. So my mean then is 4.8. And finally, the range is the highest, take away the lowest. So here my highest number is a 7. I'm going to subtract the 2, my lowest number, and that gives me 5. So the mode is 4, the most. The median, the middle value, is 4 or 5, so halfway between that is 4.5. The mean, I add all of these numbers up and I divide by the total number of values, which is 10, gives me 4.8. And the highest, take away the lowest, gives me 5. So another look at example then. So here, Billy has 8 cards and he wants to find the mode, the median, the mean, and the range of this set of cards. So the mode then is the one that we see the most. So here I've got a 10 and a 10. So his mode then is 10. His median, in order to find the median, the first thing I've got to do is I've got to put those numbers in order. So the lowest number first, we've got a 3. Then we've got a 5. Then I've got a 7. Then I've got 2 10s. So I must make sure that I write them both down. Then I've got a 12, a 14, and finally here a 17. So I've got 8 cards, so I should have 8 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. I can now find the median. So halfway of 8 is 4. So I'm going to count in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the median then is 10, because this time both values are 10. The mean then is I'm going to add all of those values up. So I've got 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 10 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 17. That gives me 78, and then I'm going to divide that by 8. So 78 divided by 8 gives me 9.75. And then finally, the range, which is the highest, take away the lowest. So the highest in this example then is 17. I'm going to subtract the lowest, which is 3. So therefore, my range on this occasion is 14. So that's averages, mean, median, mode, and range.